Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues with the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. So for some reason it isn't opening or loading properly, or maybe it's not loading at all. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start by selecting the magnify icon and type in WS Reset. That should be the best match that should come up. Go ahead and open that up to just left click on it. This is going to reset the Microsoft Store here. And then hopefully it should launch as it's supposed to. If you're still having a problem, you can try right clicking on the start menu and select settings. You can select the apps tile on the left side. Select where it says apps and features on the right. In the search apps list field, type in Microsoft Store. Best match will come back with exactly that. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Underneath Reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. And if you're still having a problem, you can try resetting it, which will delete all data on the app. So go ahead and select that. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. So at this point, I would recommend closing out of here and attempt to launch the store again, and then hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having a problem, you can try and open up the search magnify icon down in your system taskbar. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now you want to type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, we'd recommend closing out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.